Two railroad companies are told to pay $55 million because of a crossing accident that left 3 members of a West suburban family with brain damage. First on Fox this afternoon, an exclusive interview with the husband of one of the victims. Good afternoon, I'm Tamron Hall.
And I'm David Navarro. At this hour, lawyers and family members are gathered downtown for a news conference discussing the award, and that's where Patrick Elwood is joining us live. Patrick.
Well, David, most cases like this never even go to trial, but this one did, and the jury made it quite clear in this record settlement who was to blame.
Life changed on me after the accident. I got married for the last 20 years with Lily, and after the happiness, it's really bad.
Rafael Apaleo says he will never forget that terrible day.
She needed a lot of care. And from now on, I think I'm going to stay with her and keep an eye on her.
Rafael's 40-year-old wife, Lilia, and her parents, Fidel and Francisca Velarde, were hit by an Illinois Central freight train as they crossed through the intersection at Army Trail Road in Bloomingdale. Although the lights and gates at the crossing were not working, the train traveled through at 50 miles per hour. All 3 family members suffered permanent brain injuries. Friday, a jury awarded a record settlement against the defendants. Ironically, today, the day they are announcing that $55 million award, the same gates at the same crossing are not working, stuck this morning in the down position.
The message that it sends is that the community is not going to tolerate the railroad's lack of safety at these particular crossings. However, based on what we're seeing this morning, I don't know if the railroad is getting the message. The reports this morning are that the gates and lights at that particular crossing, unbelievably, are not functioning today. So I'm not sure that the railroad is actually getting the message.
And in granting the settlement, we're told jurors were particularly offended by what the dispatcher and engineer had to say to each other after the accident.
Yeah, we're having so much fun I can't stand it. I had a little incident on my hand here. I had my hands full. Okay, so I'm sorry about that.
Back live, the railroads can appeal this verdict. However, a similar case was appealed and denied, and the attorney you just heard from hopes that the railroads take that to heart and compensate his clients for their pain and suffering sooner rather than later. Press conference is underway right now. We hope to bring you some of that in a little while. But for now, reporting live from the South Loop, Patrick Elwood, Fox News Chicago, back to you in the studio.
All right, thank you very much, Patrick, for that live update.